In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use forms in ClickUp. Setting up forms in ClickUp is a great way to streamline data collection and manage information efficiently. Let's dive right in and guide you through this process step by step. First, start by opening ClickUp on your internet browser. Once you're logged in, navigate to the task views. You'll find the Plus View button prominently displayed. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various view options. This is where you can add a new form or adapt an existing one, depending on your specific needs. Next, from the drop-down menu, select Form. Forms in ClickUp are powerful tools that allow you to customize fields, making them suitable for a wide range of purposes, like gathering customer feedback, collecting work requests, or even managing internal team submissions. Selecting the form option will take you to the form creation interface where you can start setting up your form. Once you're in the form creation area, you'll see two main options presented to you. You can choose to start from scratch or select from other available templates. If you're aiming to create a form that is tailored to specific needs, starting from scratch gives you the autonomy to control every detail. On the other hand, using a template can save you time and provide a structured starting point, especially if you're unfamiliar with form design or need to get something up and running quickly. If you choose Start from Scratch, you will begin with a blank slate where you can add different types of fields, such as short answers, drop-down menus, or checkboxes to capture the information you need. This is where you can get creative and make the form truly your own, customizing each element to suit your workflow. In case you prefer to use a template, ClickUp offers a variety of pre-designed forms catering to different functions. Browse through and select one that closely matches your requirements. After selecting a template, you can still tweak and modify the form fields to better align with your goals. Whether you begin from scratch or with a template, remember to regularly save your progress to avoid losing any work. Once you're satisfied with the customizations and layout of your form, you can finalize it. ClickUp provides options to share the form easily via a link or embed it directly onto your website, ensuring easy access and distribution. And there you have it, a simple guide to creating forms in ClickUp. Forms are versatile tools that can enhance your productivity and ensure you capture the right information effectively. We hope this walkthrough helps simplify the process, making it straightforward and efficient for you to harness the full potential of ClickUp's form feature. Happy form creating,